Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes worth of time. So while this here may look like several days, it's actually just 1 day broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So pretty rough day, but this is where things get kind of tricky because it really just depends on your strategy and perspective going in. What do I mean by that? Well, I mean, if you're a day trader and you bought right there, or you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 25 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you, the chart looks really bad. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, yeah, things are still looking shaky. However, there is still some opportunity for the bulls to build on and make some progress. What do I mean by progress? Well, let's just start off with the fact that the price did break out above that stubborn area of resistance down there at 30 cents. A quick trip down memory lane, you can see that on several occasions, both there, and there, the price just continued to get rejected. However, the price is now above there. So let's say that going forward, the price essentially kind of keeps on doing what it's been doing, where it came down there. So it comes down there a little bit more, goes sideways, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have, again, and remember, I'm talking about those that care about the big picture of things. From the big picture, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have these consolidation lows here. You'd have these lows. You picture these as stair steps. And hey, you still have progress being made in the upwards direction. Again, if you're a day trader and you bought up there or you bought right there, I get it. You do not care about these levels. That's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be talking about things from more so a big picture perspective. But from the grand scheme of things viewpoint, yeah, there is still some opportunity here for the bulls to build the trend. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, the bulls do still have that opportunity to build a higher low. So really 30 cents is a very important level because any sort of breaks below 30 cents or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, at that point in time, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was, and not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. So we'll see what happens with this one, but yeah, 30 cents, definitely a very important level from the charting perspective. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.